Hey guys, welcome to InvestoprimeTV. On this channel we cover anything finance from stocks to crypto. So if this is the kind of content that you guys like to see and you're new, make sure you subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. With that being said, let's get this bread. So the price of Polygon Matic is still moving pretty interesting. And just a quick recap from my last video. So from my last video, the price was above the 20 moving average. And I said that the 20 moving average could potentially act as a very good dynamic support. It would have been interesting to see what the price would have done as it got to that area. And since then, the bears have broke that 20 moving average. This means that there's a potential momentum shift from the bullish side to the bearish side. And you can kind of see the momentum shift from the bull side to the bearish side, basically as the bulls try to bring the price back up to test that 20 moving average, which is now acting as a dynamic resistance. And as you can see in today's session, the bears have pretty much brought that price back down. I mean, at one point the bulls brought the price above the 20 moving average, but the bears have been like, nah, there's a lot of selling pressure right now. We're determined to bring this price down. You can see that with basically it started off as a green candle, now it's currently a red candle. So we'll wait to see what today's session closes at, just to see exactly where the momentum lies, whether it's the bullish side or the bearish side. So the question you guys might be asking now is, where would this price drop to if it continues falling? Or where would it rise to, etc., wherever today's session closes, whether it closes bullish or closes bearish. And also from my last video, I gave you guys two key levels. So I gave you guys a support level and also a resistance level. So the support level was around $1.62, and also the resistance level was roughly around $2.22. From the last video, I said that, look, the price was closer to the resistance and it could potentially go there, and then if it doesn't and the price falls and basically breaks the 20 moving average, it's more than likely that the price is going to head to the $1.62 support. Looks like it's more or less the case, especially seeing as if today's session closes bearish. And looking at the MACD, so if I have a look at the MACD, there was a dead cross that was established. So the dead cross was established the moment the bears broke that 20 moving average. And you can see the momentum within it is actually picking up. So the bearish momentum is picking up right now. So the price is more or less likely to get to that $1.62 support. I believe that's basically where the price is heading right now. But the interesting thing here is that the support of $1.62 is actually a support zone. So a support zone between $1.62 and roughly around $1.48. And the reason it's a support zone is that there's a lot of activity within this area. As you can see, every time the price got to this area, whether from a resistance standpoint or a support standpoint, there's been a lot of activity, a lot of fighting between the bulls and the bears. So it'll be interesting to see when the price gets to this level. I believe that there's going to be more or less, there's going to be a lot of demand waiting around this level that could potentially start pushing the price back up to test that 20 moving average and potentially break that 20 moving average. Who knows, this could potentially be the start to another bullish run, basically sending the price back up to test the $2.22 resistance, but first of all breaking that 20 moving average. So for those who are invested in Matic right now and basically like my style, you want to see more technical analysis, I'm going to keep you guys covered, keep you guys updated on basically what's going on, where I believe the price is going to go to. That way hopefully it makes sense to you guys, and if there's anything you guys want to know, etc., then let me know in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, you know, all of that, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys.